Boobers, we're back on the road again. We're going to meet the boys right now, so hang in there, ride along, and we'll pick you up when we meet the boys. Me and John believe in no fun. That's why we ride together.
We're serious. We don't have any fun.
You can't drink and don't have fun on our rides.
Yeah. Great places you go to. Alligator Ram and fucking dilapidated. I can't imagine what's next.
Having a good time though, aren't you?
I came in here one time and bought 2 beers and gave her a $20 bill. She had to go up to the gas station to
get change.
Remember that?
Yep.
This bar was open?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
She went to the gas station. We had to change it 20.
I think she was waiting for just keep it.
Oh yeah.
You know.
But she left.
And then we helped ourselves to a bunch of more beers. Yeah. That tap was empty when she got back.
That'd be a free fall. Get the fucking whiskey.
She comes back, there's a band there, 400 people. This is the best place to stop, guys. Look at this. You get tired, frickin' recliner, you get a flat tire, they got a spare for you. It's nice and clean here. Yeah, it's looking nice. And then you got this. Pretty cute, huh? So pretty here.
Yeah, beautiful spot.
Isn't it? Yeah. Looks like Jersey, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm right up the New Jersey Turnpike.
You're right? Looks like Pittsburgh too, don't get me wrong. Alright y'all, thanks for riding along today. We had a good time with John and my wife Deneen, and I hope you enjoyed the first part that was posted last week. And I'm not sure where we're going to be next week, but we'll be out and about, you know that. And hopefully we can get Joseph back out here and get the 3 amigos together. And we'll catch you on that ride. So hit that subscribe, share it with your friends, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.